All right, so in this video, we're going to look at the use of tilde, the sort of squiggly line in IPA characters. And unusually for the IPA, this one squiggly line is used three different ways in the IPA, each with a completely different articulatory basis. So let's look at some symbols that use it. So first of all, it's used to indicate velarization or pharyngalization, but this really will only ever encounter this on L. So you put that tilde, superimpose it right over top of the L, and you get what's called a dark L or a velarized L. That's fine. Secondly, it can indicate nasality on vowels. That's this middle. So we have the vowel A, and then we nasalize it A. And I find it useful to think of the fact that nasality involves the nasal cavity, which is above the oral cavity. This represents an oral articulation, and then we add a symbol above that representing the nasal articulation. There are other diacritics that go above that don't represent nasalization, but just in terms of the tilde, the one above is the nasalization. And third, it can indicate creaky voice. So when we put it underneath, creaky voice. Remember that phonation happens in the larynx, which is lower than the oral cavity. So we get an under diacritic for that. And we can also, if we're getting really interesting, have a creaky nasalized which probably shows up in some languages. I don't know. So there you go. So we have the velarization on L, which is its own thing, and then the nasalization, which is the tilde above the vowel character, and creakiness, which is the tilde below the vowel character. Creakiness can also happen on consonants as well, but for this illustration, for just remembering the diacritic itself, I feel like this is a tidy way to sort it out.